Hello guys, welcome to a new video from the channel. This time we check how to fix missing chat history sync now on Messenger. So let's start. So for example, if you are on Messenger, like it's my case here, let's back to my principal page, you can select the recover the history sync. However, if it doesn't find you, just go to your three lines here and let's go to settings, and then on settings just scroll down and let's go to privacy and safety. Then let's go to end-to-end encrypt chats, and then let's go to message storage, and then just turn off the message storage here, and you can click on continue. Then you can select delete security storage here, and you can restore the messages if you lose or replace the device. So in case that you don't want to, just do it. And if you want to turn on, just click here on turn on security storage, and then you can start the storage here on your device, as you can see, and now you can start saving it without any problem. So guys, I hope this works for you. Thank you for watching this video. Remember to subscribe and give a thumbs up to this video.